How to install tubeless tires. Deflate the tire completely. Crack the sidewall open so you can slide the tire lever later. Best tire lever in business. The link is on the description. I found a big opening, insert the lever here and walk it. Hook the end of the lever to the spokes. Now get the other lever and insert it closer to the stationary lever. Start walking it all the way around. Do the same on this side. Remove the Presta valve stem. Remove the tape. Always retape the rim every time you change your tire. Clean up the rim and remove the adhesive gunk. It's time to tape up the rim. Use Gorilla Tape. Match the width of the rim to the tape and start to tape them up. Overlap it and cut it in an angle. Poke a small hole so the stem can go in. Force the valve stem into small hole. There is an arrow on the disc brake. It says rotation. Find the arrow on the new tires that also says rotate. Start to tuck in the tire on the rim one side at a time. Use a tire lever to pick the tire into the rim. We are going to pour 2 bottles of sealant. Put the valve in and tighten them up. We will use CO2 to inflate the tire. Keep your fingers away from the rim. Use the floor pump and pump it to 40 psi.